You can see that the country bean has almost cooked, but every 5 minutes we have to see that it is being mixed so that the heat will not burn at the bottom. The vegetables, if it gets burned, will not be tasty enough for eating. You have to keep on mixing every 5 minutes. Meanwhile, don't forget to just close it with a lid so that while boiling the water will not get evaporated, because we have not added any water so far. The water present in the vegetable itself gets cooked already, so you have to close it with a lid such that the water will not get evaporated.